The PELEGON Raised Toilet Seat is an excellent tool for promoting independence in the bathroom, offering easy self-assembly and a design that is suited for elderly, handicapped individuals, and adults post-surgery. This product provides ultimate comfort and stability, catering to a diverse range of heights, and is lab-tested to support up to 400 pounds. PELEGON's toilet riser with handles ensures a personalized fit for any toilet type. With its adjustable height feature that ranges from 19.5 to 23.5 inches and boasts a comfortable 22-inch fixed width between the handles. This raised toilet seat offers 3-in-1 convenience, transitioning seamlessly from a high raised toilet seat to a bedside commode with arms and even into a stable shower chair. PELEGON provides exceptional customer service, valuing and understanding the needs of their customers and ensuring a fulfilling and reassuring experience with their products. With a reasonable price of $109.97 and a high customer review score of 4.5 out of 5, the PELEGON Raised Toilet Seat is a trusted and reliable choice for bathroom safety aids.